Nice indoor water park for kids and family to have a fun day. The redemption process was easy and fast, just show the QR code and that's it. Toilet is clean and changing rooms are spacious. Have locker to store belongings. Enough seating areas for parents who don't want to go into water. Nicely designed and well done. There's a McDonald's just opposite the entrance. Fun water park but only suitable for kids below 10 years. Only a few slides. Changing and bathing area are good. Hair dryer provided. Bring own shampoo and body bath. So fun and kids love it so much. Even the toilet is clean and staff were friendly. Had a hard time to get my kids out of the pool. They were truly having the time of their life. Awesome place to play and spend time in. Place is quite clean and toilets are okay. Love that is unlimited time of play. Will definitely come back again. Thanks. The kids really enjoyed it. They had so much fun in the slides and the water bucket. The place is indoor, so we can enjoy the play even if it rains. Kids enjoyed the amazing slide and water splash. 2 long slides which were exhilarating and not so crowded. Plenty of fun for a quick Sunday activity before returning to school. 12 p.m. crowd was decent too. Recommended. Took my son on a weekday and it was fairly quiet. Stayed around 1 hour 10 minutes and my son had a lot of fun. Very good experience during school holiday. A must-go place especially during super hot weather and summer feels inside. Kids love the place. The kids really enjoyed it. They had so much fun in the slides and the water bucket. Even the adults there enjoyed themselves. I will really recommend family with kids of any age to come and spend time together. The price is affordable for peak and non-peak hours and good price for accompanying adults too, whether we are gonna play with them or not. Crowd control was very good and limited to 30 packs if I remember correctly. Definitely spacious for everyone allowed in. No showers allowed inside the toilet but can rinse the bodies just outside. My rascal son had much fun just playing with the water around. Slides vary from low to high but best to accompany weight your kids wherever it is as they may be too excited around the slide area and may slip if not careful. The bucket of water that splashes down from the top PLS, take note, it is very painful even for adults, so PLS shield from your toddlers or kids. The place is clean and I like the fact that not many PPL can go in. If not, it'll be too crowded. The slides got height restrictions, so too bad my 5-year-old daughter and niece can only take 1 slide. But overall, the kids will surely love it. Booking is a breeze from Klook to reservation of slot. Do reserve early as it's pretty popular and hard to get a slot. Try going weekdays instead of weekends. Place is clean. Had a lot of fun with my daughter. The place is fun for kids. Locker, washroom and toilet so spacious. There are food shops just outside the water park, e.g. McDo and Heavenly Wang. Can hold kids parties for kids as well. Amazing venue for fun. The place is indoor, so we can enjoy the play even if it rains. The water seems to be heated. My son don't feel cold inside the water. Overall he enjoyed himself very much. Friendly staff, clean water playground and facilities. Easy and smooth transaction at the gantry. My kids love it. We went on a weekday so there's no crowd. Would come back for more fun. The staff here are diligent and friendly. They were helpful when one of my guests could not turn up and helped me with my voucher. It's my second time heading to this place and I really love the fun time spent and the great support from the staff. They clarified questions fast and concise. And when there were kids who were not using the slides properly, they used the PA system followed by personally approaching the kids and advising them firmly to use the slide properly. We felt safe for our kids when using the slides there.